Hi, this is Kimberly Elizabeth, and I would like to welcome you back to my channel, Bookkeeping Journey, or welcome to Bookkeeping Journey. Today, I am going to be teaching you what are assets in a business, and I'm going to make it as basic and more understanding than ever, as much as I can, so that you can understand what are assets in a business and what types of assets are in a business. So there are two types of assets. I'm going to go through those, and you would have learned a bit of what are assets. If you haven't watched the video that I made, you can watch it in the iCard, or assets, liabilities, and capital. Before I go on, there are two things I'm going to do first. First, I'm going to shout out whatever. Thank you so much for the idea for this series, and I am super excited to be making it. The next thing I'm going to ask you to do now is to go and grab your pen and paper to be able to take notes, because you can't just watch a video and expect it to sink in. There's something about watching a video and writing those notes down so that you do not forget. And if you are a business owner, a bookkeeper, or anybody that will definitely benefit from this video, make sure that you grab that pen and paper. You will be grateful that you did. So to give you time to write, to get that pen and paper, you can leave the video playing, and I will input the music here now so that you will give you that time. You can listen to some upbeat music, which is a channel trailer that I made a couple of days ago. If you have your pen and paper already, make sure you can also go to this timestamp here where the video will start. And thank you again, whatever. Girl, you're amazing. So today I'm going to be going through what are assets in a business. So assets in a business, if you have watched my video where I explain what are assets, liabilities, and capital, I would have told you that assets are what a business owns. So this is every single thing in the business that is owned by the business. So therefore, this could be cash in hand, inventory, money in the bank, buildings, machinery, equipment, and vehicles. And this is just a short list of what types of assets that they do have in a business. So obviously you own the cash in hand, which is obviously cash that's owned, but that belongs to the business. The inventory, your stock levels, whatever stock you have in your business, even if it's at your services. If you're a bookkeeper, it's services that you offer. If you have like a store, it's like the clothes that you have. So your actual stock is your inventory. The money in the bank is what it is. Money in the business bank account. Buildings is the building that the business owns, that the business is probably operating in. So once you own the building, that will be classified as an asset. The machinery that you own in a business, the equipment that you use every single day, like my computer is equipment for my bookkeeping business, and the vehicles. So if you sell vehicles, if you sell vehicles, that will be inventory. But if you have like a delivery vehicle that belongs to the business, so all of these are things that the business owns and do not owe any person for. So assets are what a business owns. So there are two types of assets in a business. And the first type of asset that we're going to talk about is current assets. Current assets are assets that are used within 12 months. Of current assets are cash in hand. So obviously we use cash every single day, and that's under 12 months. Money in the bank as well, inventory, and accounts receivable, which is money owed to the business by customers. Current assets are what you use basically every single day to have the business operating, that you own in the business. So obviously, if you gain cash from a sale, that is what you own. You own that cash. That cash is yours. And if you have a customer that bought something from you on credit, so therefore they owe you money, those go into accounts receivables. And we were doing we're going more on accounts receivables in a later video. Inventory, we all know what inventory is, and money in the bank is what it says it is. The next type of asset is non-current assets. So non-current assets are used for several years. So that is the building. You know, you're not going to use a building within 12 months. It's going to be over a period of time. So a list of non-current assets are land. So if a business owns land that it operates on, that would be an asset. Buildings, like I just said, buildings, the building that you're operating your business out of, and you own that building, that would be an asset, a non-current asset. Vehicles, any vehicles that the business owns, and so therefore you use this vehicle to do deliveries. You use this vehicle to operate within the business, but you don't sell vehicles. That will be a non-current asset. But the thing is, if you do sell vehicles, that will be inventory. Equipment, so any equipment that you use within your business. So obviously my computer is going to last me for years and years, so that this will be my non-current asset, right? My camera, well, I use my phone for my camera, but that I still use that for my business, for my YouTube channel, and that will be an asset that I own in my business. But the thing is, I would not use it. It would last me for years and years, and so therefore that will be classified as a non-current asset. Furniture in your business, so like the chair that I am sitting in, that's an asset in my business, right? The machinery that you use as well, and that's it. So I really hope that you understand what are assets in the business. You understand that concept of the two different types of assets there are in a business. So remember, let's recap. Assets in the business are what a business owner owes, and it could be cash, inventory, money in the bank, buildings, machinery, equipment. Once it is something that is a financial, or what they call it, economic benefit to the business, that is an asset. All right. And there are two different types of assets. One is current assets. Current assets are the assets that you use within 12 months. And so therefore that would be the cash that you handle every single day, the money in the bank, the inventory, accounts receivables when customers owe you. So those are current assets. And non-current assets are the ones that last for years and years, and you don't use them up. They don't expire within 12 months. So therefore several years. And so therefore there will be land, buildings, equipment, furniture, machinery. So I hope that you grab the concept, and I will see you on the outside of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you got all those notes down and you did not leave out anything. If there's something that wasn't clear, ask it in the comment section below. I will reply to you, or I will make a video about it and shout you out, like how I am doing. Whatever, I had to do that. And so make sure that you ask all your questions. I hope that you got all those notes. And if you have to go watch over the video, watch it over. If there's someone that you know will benefit from this video, go and share it. And I will be grateful for it too, because any extra subscribers, any extra video watch time that I do get on my channel, it completely helps. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's live. Yes, I go live every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Go live to discuss how my week went, what I did for the week, and help you to give you some motivation going forward in your business, and any questions that you want to ask, you can ask me there as well. But I use it to help me to stay accountable, and also to show you that, I am a real person, and I am no guru at all whatsoever. I do have my ups, I do have my downs, but I'm here to share my journey with you and bring you along so that you can grow your bookkeeping business. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.